Alright guys, I want to take a look at TRX here on the channel once again. Haven't looked at this in about 8 days or so. Looking at this on the 4-hour time frame. Now you can see basically we do have a trend line that is keeping the candles up here basically. And if I zoom in a little bit, you can see it a little bit better. Now I think the key target for this run to continue, guys, basically if we get above this 31.85 cent mark, I do believe that this run can continue, maybe even a little bit higher, maybe to take out some of this trading here. So maybe let's say 34 cents is probably sure, because that would be setting higher highs. But right now we are still under this resistance here. This is a weekly resistance that I have marked off, and that sits at around 31.8 cents right now. Volume, you can see the volume is kind of dropping off a little bit. Let me look at this on the daily time frame. Now the volume today is a little bit better than the previous several days, basically like 5 days here, so that's good to see. But we do have kind of a longer wick to the upside. So yeah, let's look at this on a weekly time frame. Now the week just really started a few days ago. Let me get rid of this so we can see. Now that actually is a pretty bullish candle on a weekly time frame, guys. You can see that we dropped all the way back down to about 24 cents, and this candle is just getting eaten up, guys. So that's really a good sign, I have to say. I did also look at the RSI before I started this video. It's kind of mixed, guys. There's no clear one direction. So yeah. Now if we take a quick look at the tokenomics of TRON, guys, looked at this many times before. Now there is no max supply. That's something that I don't like about TRON. But when you have big communities like Cardano, XRP, TRON, they tend to eat up whatever is out there. So basically pretty much everything that's been made is circulating. So that's kind of good in a way, I guess. Now, yeah, all-time high, guys, 43 cents. I usually go down there and look, but yeah, we know that was fairly recent. So yeah, guys, I do believe TRON is in for more upside. It's been one of the stronger coins for this, entire bull run, actually. So, and yeah, I did want to point out one more thing. Now, the target of that cup and handle, by the way, guys, I've left it here, and it was about 24 cents. Now you can see that basically this wick has come down to retest that. So that is a little bit interesting to see. Let me just mark that off and see if we ever come back down to touch that again. But yeah, maybe that is support for TRON at the moment. That's not straight, I think, but that's straight enough. But yeah, it looks like we came down to really retest that target of the cup and handle. That's interesting, though. Now, if we take a quick look here at Bitcoin, guys, you can see that nothing has really happened. This is the daily time frame here, and yeah, I mean, I put this box here. I pretty much just extended it a little bit, but we are in the same range, that we've been since the 19th of November, guys. Nothing has changed. We've tried to get outside the box, but if I zoom in, we are still in this box. Kind of crazy, because yesterday it looked like we were going to get out of the box, and even today it looked like we were going to get out of this box, but this box has held us down, and people are starting to freak out once again, guys. They're starting to panic sell once again. I can see it because my portfolio is going down. Now, as you can see, basically for the total market cap, guys, getting a little bit of a red candle. People are starting to sell off Bitcoin once again. And yeah, it looks like it almost got up to the trend line today. Not quite there, but you can see if I zoom in, it got really close, within 0.01 of a trillion. So yeah, let's see what tomorrow holds. Now, excluding Bitcoin, it did retest this trend line, but you can see it failed. So still have a green candle. This is the daily time frame, and I do believe probably tomorrow we will retest this trend line once again, but we are going to have to get above that. Now, when it comes to Bitcoin dominance, guys, we are getting quite a red candle today. So I'm a little bit surprised that, the altcoins haven't really pumped a little bit more than what they have. But, this is good. Definitely good for altcoin holders. I do believe, we're going to fall through this 55.93 once again. Don't know when. Could be tomorrow. Could be next week. We just have to wait and see, guys. But yeah, looks like we fell under it last night. When I made a video last night, I think we were just above it, like right here. And yeah, since then we've fallen through. And yeah, I would like, personally to see more downside myself because I'm an altcoin holder. As a result of that, guys, you can see the altcoin season index has gone up to a 69, was a 67 right before I refreshed it. So yeah, we've gone up just a couple of points, and like I said, guys, that's due to this dominance falling here. So yeah, we gained a couple of points. That's nice to see. Now, fear and greed, guys, 83. I'm surprised we shot up so much. Yesterday was 78, but we're back in extreme greed. In my opinion, it's not good. And we can see that people are selling off once again. If we go back to the Bitcoin chart, guys, I mean, we're going down. We're under 100,000 once again. So yeah, you can see we've gotten just a red candle from, I don't know, maybe if we look at this, yeah, just the last couple of hours, guys. I mean, we were above the box, 2 hours ago, 2.5 hours. Now, Pi Cycle Top Indicator, guys, not even close yet. So don't worry about that. Crypto bubbles, let's take a quick look at this. We are, for the day kind of mixed. I would say it's probably about 50-50. And we do have some big winners. Aave, not Pepe, Pepe's a loser. LDO here. Link, Maker, AVAX, these are some of the bigger winners today. OP, yeah, it's nice to see. But we do have some losers like Pepe and, Beam, but, nothing is really down more than about 8.5%. So that's, not too bad, I can say. So yeah, it kind of balances out, and, we do have a green here, so it looks like it's more green than red. The last hour, like I said, since we've had that dump in the last couple of hours, we're getting more red here in the last hour or so. But it's not major red, guys. Most of this is about 2%, 3%. So, yeah, I mean, we just have to wait and be patient again. Now, guys, if you want to stake your Bitcoin or any other coin, go to Coinondo and type in whichever coin you're looking for example, Bitcoin. And you'll have a list of places where you can stake. Be aware of these, locking periods and limits that you can stake. And you might not want to stake more than, for example, like 30 days like me. I think flexible is best at this point because we just don't know, when this bull run is going to come to a complete climax. And when you're happy with the results, you want to be able to sell. And, yeah, I mean, you don't want to be stuck in a position where you can't sell and you ride it all the way back down to the bottom. So anyways, guys, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.